Child succumbed to injuries in highway crash in Trelawny. Hi again and welcome. This is ll3d TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to ll3d TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. ll3d TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is ll3d TV News Report. A 12-year-old boy succumbed to injuries and a man hospitalized following a collision with a trailer and a Toyota Fielder on the North Coast Highway near Trelawny yesterday morning. The deceased has been identified as Ackerman Myrie of Appleton in St. James. According to Sergeant Kirkland Cross of the Trelawny Traffic Department, Myrie was a passenger in a grey Toyota Fielder motor car traveling east on the highway. It's reported that upon reaching the Marterbury overpass, the driver attempted to pass the trailer but hit the back of it. The impact resulted in both occupants being trapped inside the vehicle. The Falmouth Fire Department removed both victims from the car. They were taken to hospital where the boy succumbed to his injuries and the driver hospitalized in serious condition. ll3d TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.